Good morning. Well, I got one of the best kind of kit deliveries this morning. So I'm just literally going to open it up. I'm not quite sure which shoes these are. But I understand they're a new one, which I'm a bit excited about. I might be live streaming me cutting off my own finger. So if you're squeamish, look away now. Okay. Okay, gel Nimbus 22 and grey floss and pea coat. Ooh, that sounds exciting. Let's get rid of all this. Ignore the kitchen. I did try and have a bit of a wipe round, but there's probably going to be a cat on there in a minute because I've got massive amounts of cats in the house at the moment because we're fostering kittens, which seemed a brilliant idea at the time, but not so much right now. Okay, brilliant, in the right size as well. That's a bonus. And shoes. Oh, I do love a new shoe day. Ooh. Oh, these are lovely. Look at the colours. Check those out. Oh, and a bit of a kind of petrol finish there on the... Oh well, exciting times. I'm going to take these out for a test drive now. New kit day.